Hey, and welcome to this week's episode of the Rugged Rundown. And take a look, I've got the Panasonic Connect Let's Note FV4. Man, that's a long name. Laptop. Right here, it's Panasonic's latest and greatest and newest. And I thought I would show, kind of in the line of this idea of laptop, the predecessor to this particular brand new model. And it's the C2. The C2 was considered semi-rugged, but we all know that this is not exactly what I would consider semi-rugged. It's the closest thing that I could find in Panasonic's line of laptops that I could show you what the predecessor looked like. And when you talk about keyboards, if you take a look at this keyboard, it's got nice sized keys. If we look at the predecessor, take a look at these keys. They're much smaller, so it was a little more difficult to type on, but that's because it was a 13-inch screen and they just shrunk the laptop. This, of course, is the 14-inch screen, which gives you more real estate on the bottom to have a bigger keyboard. This one had a rectangle mouse pad with the two standard buttons there. It worked okay. I kind of like the way Panasonic made this round and it's nice and big. It kind of follows where your finger's going to be scrolling, so you're not confined by the rectangle. It also has two mouse buttons here. This is also lighter weight. Obviously it's going to be newer, so technology is smaller, right? So it's only 2.4 pounds. The C2 was a little heavier. It's probably closer to 4 pounds. This has a better resolution screen, whereas the C2 wasn't as high resolution. It also has the lower end webcam. I love this webcam with the advanced AI noise reduction microphones, which if you're talking in there, it's going to automatically adjust what's going on with the sound for this webcam. Hey, by the way, this webcam's a IR face recognition webcam, which is really kind of state of the art, right? It's basically some of the brand new stuff that's out there, and everybody wants AI built into their laptop. Price-wise, they both came in pretty much at that $2,500 price mark when they were sold brand new, this one and this one. So I guess $2,500, but I don't know. Again, that $2,500 bothers me on such a thin, lightweight that you can only drop no more than 30 inches. So is it really a Toughbook? I don't know. But maybe that's why they call it the Panasonic Connect Let's Note FV4 instead of saying Toughbook. But in any case, I thought I'd point this out to you guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments or ideas, put them down below so I can read them. I answer everything that I can, and I'll see you guys next week.